Several people have asked us to discuss water for coffee. I have some basic knowledge, which I think is fundamental for a coffee shop operator, especially in somewhere like London where the water's so bad. And I'm happy to share that basic knowledge with you. However, there are far more detailed studies on water that you can get your hands on. I know Maxwell Colonna Dashwood himself has written a whole book on water if you can get hold of it. Now, the SCA guidelines for particulates in water are 75 to 250. Now, what particulates are basically all of the fine minerals and metals and particulates that you can find in water, and it's measured in parts per million. Okay, so the SCA guidelines for specialty coffee are 75 to 250, with, let's say, a good mid-range of 150 particulates. How do you measure this? Okay, so you can get one of these really cheap, really simple to get. You can buy them off Amazon. It's a TDS meter. TDS stands for total dissolved solids. And you just need to calibrate it, turn it on, get a sample of your water and stick it in, and we'll see what ours is running at right now. And you can see there we're running at about 110. So that's quite good. It's not too low, it's not too high. And we got to this 110 figure using our filtration system down here. We've got a reverse osmosis system. You can see it's 3-tank system, 1, 2, 3. And with reverse osmosis, what you can do is you can actually control the amount of particulates that you have in the water. So if it's too high, you can filter it and lessen the amount, or if it's too low, you can increase it. So RO systems give you a really good amount of control for the water, and it's really fundamental. You keep an eye on this, because if you don't, it will destroy the internal boilers and other parts of your coffee machine. So it's really, really important to regularly keep an eye on this. Now, a lot of you are going to ask, okay, what if I'm at home? I don't have an RO system. I don't have a TDS meter. I don't have all of this. Okay, so what I have learned just through general chat in the industry and a couple of coffee forums is that the best water we can get out there now in the market in the UK for home use, for your home espresso machine, is Tesco Ashbeck. Now, I've just picked up a bottle here. It's fairly cheap, 85p for 2 litres. You can get big 5-litre bottles. You'll see the pH at source is 6.7. It's changed a bit. It used to be 6.2. And the dry residue is 140 particulates. This is really good water, really affordable water that you can use for your home setup, or you can use for pour over for your kettle or your espresso machine, and it's going to give you a good result with your coffee.